In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a slicer in Power BI using images instead of the usual text or numeric values. Now, let's jump into Power BI. I'll be using a simple electronics product list here, where I want to show images for headphones, smartphones, smartwatches, tablets, laptops. In the dataset, ensure that you have a column that contains the URLs for your images. In our case, the image URL column holds the links to each product's image. Sometimes, Power BI doesn't automatically detect that you're using image URLs. If that's the case, we can manually adjust the field type. Select the column and set the data category to image URL. Let's create a slicer. First, click on the slicer visualization from the Visualizations pane. In the Field section, add the value image URL. Now it's time to test your slicer. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the image thumbnails in the slicer. Let's click on the smartwatch image. And we can see here on bar chart, it filtered the data for smartwatches. And there you have it. You've successfully created a slicer using images in Power BI. This is a great way to improve the user experience and make your reports more interactive and visually appealing. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.